Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. I wanted to give you guys a month update on this hair, how it's been holding up, and just my overall thoughts on the Queen Weave Beauty Deep Wave. I have in a 20, 22, and 24 inches. And when I tell y'all, I've been getting so many compliments and questions, comments, DMs about this hair, how I style it, how I do it. Today I'm going to be sharing my overall thoughts and also kind of show you guys exactly how I style it and how I get these really big voluminous curls and how I blend my hair and all of that. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get straight into it. Good morning you guys. So this is how my hair looks like. This morning I actually did not sleep with a scarf last night. That was my bad. But I wanted to share with you guys how I refresh my curls and to make it look kind of like fresh and everything. This is not how it normally looks. Like, this is without doing anything to it. When I tell you guys that it holds a curl, it literally holds a curl. Like I said, I have not done nothing to my hair since Wednesday because I had a shoot, and today is actually Sunday. So I want to just kind of give you guys like an overview of like how I wand curl my hair, but also how I refresh it, because I don't wand curl it every day. So I try to limit as much heat as possible. This is the wand that I use. I don't know what size this is. I've had this wand curler for some years. I know I got it from Walmart though. So if Walmart still carries this, it's probably the same one. And I put it on 380 and I literally will just let it warm up and then start curling my hair. Part it and then I would clip it, right? My hair is grown out, you guys. This hair is like over a month of grow out. I can't even hide the tracks no more. Like it's grown out a lot. It grew out pretty fast. I will literally take a comb like this, a wide comb, and I will comb through it. That's normally how I like to do it, just to make sure that it's no tangles or anything like that, and kind of wand curling it a lot tighter. And I feel like my hair is already pretty tight at this moment because of the shoot that I did. But I would take like maybe a piece about this big, and then what I'll do is I will just wand curl it like so. And I'm not gonna leave it on for that long because the hair is already pretty tight right now, and I don't want it to be any tighter, because the tighter the curl obviously is gonna be like up here. I also like to do bigger pieces just because break up the curls. Okay, so now I'm basically at the top part now, and y'all see, this is how much my hair grew out. Like I literally cannot even just grown out a lot. Now that I feel like I pretty much did most of the curls, as you guys can see, I'm just going to go in a little bit and comb it out, like at the top part where I haven't curled it yet. And so this is how I refresh it, so that I don't have to do like the whole thing, because obviously if you haven't watched my latest video on this hair, like when I first got it installed, I took my time with each section and all that. But I feel like as time goes on, like throughout the weeks, because I will try to wash the hair or condition the hair like a co-wash, like once a week, sometimes once every 2 weeks. It depends on what's going on with my life. But this hair, like I said, this hair holds a curl so good. But when I want to refresh it so it doesn't look like poofy, I will go in and like just kind of lightly curl it, and at least curl the pieces that I know needs to really be curled. So what I'll do is I'll just take up little pieces at the top, and I will just go in and wand curl it to where I can I'll do it like some big pieces, some small pieces, and then I'll separate the curls, so then that way it can be a little bit more voluminous. And that's kind of really what I do. Okay, so now my hair is old, so it's not as like fresh and like silky when I first do it. I normally will press my edges, and my natural hair, I'll press it, and then I will lightly go over it with a flat iron. And that's usually what I do when I first like install the hair, and I also wash it. I will do it like once. I don't use a flat iron that like after that. And I feel like my hair holds a curl pretty good. But this is like pretty much my hair right here. And I don't know, I just see my hair is like still kind of curled. Want to curl this part too as well. For you guys can always use perm rods. And if you don't have hecka textured hair, I will say use perm rods and do it with like some mousse and like really smooth it down. But when you have textured hair, it's hard to like have it blend with this kind of hair because it's just the texture is just off. That's why I like to do the wand curls, but I know like the girls don't want heat damage, so I definitely understand that. But this is pretty much how I do it. And now I will just smooth my edges, and then I will probably put a scarf. Usually I will put a scarf on my edges to let it lay down. But you don't have to have this much hair out when you're doing the flip over method. I have to have a like somewhat of a good amount of hair out, only because my hair grows really fast, and like my weaves don't be lasting long. Like y'all see, it's grown out, and this is pretty much how it's looking right now. So this hair is from Queen Weave Beauty, and I got their 20, 22, and 24 inches of deep wave. And if you guys have not watched my previous video when I first got it installed, I will link it in the description box below and in the iCard so you guys can check that out. So you guys can see how it was freshly installed. But right now, this is going on a little over a month. My hair is very much grown out, but the hair is still intact. It is still soft. It is still going. It still holds a curl. Like, it's just still amazing hair. I love having deep wave because it is a little bit more textured, and also the volume that you get from the deep wave is amazing. I love this hair company because their hair just never gets tangly. It is so easy to wash, so easy to style, to use heat. Like, it's literally like your natural hair, and I love it. I kind of get into the details of how this was sewn in my head. So this is the flip over method, and I have hair out in the front, sides, and in the back. That way I can clip my hair up if I wanted to, like so. I can clip it up. I can put it in a ponytail if I want it. Like, well, now it's pretty grown out, but I can do a lot of different styles with the flip over method, but also having hair out in on the sides and the back. But this hair is amazing. It is really easy to blend. Like I said, you guys can use flexi rods, you can use perm rods, you can even do the wand curler. But how I achieved this look was through wand curls, and it's amazing. And if you want this hair to be bigger, all you have to do is pick it out. All you have to do is comb it out and just fluff it. And I'm telling you, it gets so much volume. And I think that's one reason why I really love the deep wave. It's just gorgeous hair, and it's so pretty. And I don't know, y'all. I just know that if you are looking to achieve this look, deep wave would be the perfect match. I will have everything linked down below in the description box so you guys can check it out. All I can say, y'all seen it. I have my kinky curly hair with them, the deep wave with them. Like, they just have really good hair. So if you guys are looking to purchasing new hair or get a sew-in, that is pretty much the method that I do, the bundles that I have. And y'all, I'm telling you, the wand curls just make it easier to blend the hair. Unless your hair texture matches the deep wave, then go for it. But for the girls that have more coarser hair, I feel like the wand curling just does it every time. But without further ado, you guys, thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. I love you so much, and I'll make sure to have everything down below for you guys, and I will catch you in my next video. Bye.